What if I told you that over 70% of millionaires in the United States built their wealth through real estate investing, yet most people believe they need tens of thousands of dollars just to get started? Here is the truth that most financial gurus will not tell you. Some of the most successful property investors in history started with literally nothing in their bank accounts. Zero. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how they did it and how you can do the same thing starting this month. Now let me address the elephant in the room because I know what you are thinking. You are thinking this sounds like another get-rich-quick scheme or some guru trying to sell you a course. I get it. But here is the reality. The barrier to real estate investing is not money. It never has been. The real barrier is knowledge, and that is exactly what we are going to fix today. The problem most beginners face is simple. They have been told their entire lives that you need a massive down payment, perfect credit, and a high income to buy property. Banks want 20% down. Realtors talk about closing costs that run into the tens of thousands. And suddenly, owning a rental property feels like something only rich people can do. But this traditional path is just one path, and honestly, it is the slowest and most difficult one. So let me walk you through the strategies that actually work